Namaskar. We all belong to this wonderful community called Garden City as one big family as a resident, and we are enjoying that also. Especially at this juncture, where a pandemic is upon the entire world, there are some basic responsibilities that we also have to follow. We all know that, which is nothing but stay home, stay safe, wear mask, social distancing, etc. Here is an awareness video created by our children of Garden City, who in future will be joining the healthcare fraternity, nothing but future doctors. They are Preeti Padayar of Tower 5, Lakshmi Satish of Tower 3, and Achyutan Sridharan of Tower 4. Watch this video, friends. Don't ignore it. Please watch this, share this, have that in your mind, and kindly consider this as a request from all of us. So, once again, stay home, stay safe. More than anything, is stay safe and please take care.
Garden City is one of the most vibrant and joyous communities of OMR. We have such beautiful green patches, flowering trees, and wonderful walking trails. Health is not valued enough unless we're struck with some illness. Today, we are facing a global pandemic that has forced us to stay indoors. A unique and deadly virus that spread throughout the world at a blistering pace has caused so much suffering. We are at war with this virus that results in respiratory issues and even worse, death. Masks and gloves are here to our rescue. So, proper usage and disposal of these masks is also crucial with the given scenario. Ensure that your nose and mouth are both well covered with no gaps. Try not to touch your mask, and if you do so, then wash your hands straight away. Use a clean cloth to wipe away the sweat on your face while standing in long queues during your weekly shopping. When taking off your masks, remove them from behind. Do not touch the front of these masks. Neatly wrap your used masks and gloves in papers and dispose them off in the reject waste bin and not in the recycle bin, my friends. It's either one day or day one, folks, and continue to wave at your friends from a distance.
Our housekeeping staff, security, and maintenance people are our warriors to whom we should be eternally grateful to. They have been trained to take care of the current situation while we are all under a lockdown with virtual classrooms working from home. There are certain small steps which all of us can take to prevent ourselves from getting infected and from infecting others, which can go a really long way in curbing the spread of the disease. Coronavirus infection is essentially a droplet infection, which means you can contract the disease directly by inhaling droplets generated by a patient while they are coughing or sneezing, or indirectly by touching objects the patient may have touched and then touching your nose, mouth, or eyes with the same hand. To prevent such transmission, there are certain steps which you can take, one very important step being social distancing. This means you must maintain a distance of at least 1 meter from people around you at any time you may be in public, be it while grocery shopping, going for a walk while disposing garbage, etc. The reason for this is the droplets which I previously mentioned travel up to a distance of 1 meter. Secondly, always remember to wash your hands after you come back home, as you never know what surfaces you may have touched and which of those may have been contaminated. Either use soap and water or an alcohol based hand rub containing 60% alcohol.
So here's some trash talk. As you know, we've been segregating our daily disposable waste into three types: wet waste that goes into the green bucket, dry waste that goes into the white gunny, and rejects that go into the red bucket. You also probably know what goes into which bucket, and you've seen this image on nearly a daily basis before the lockdown. The problem is that we often fail to look into the details. For example, here it says, do not use a plastic liner. Okay, you got the waste out of your home, but look at this, how bad it can get. Now you may ask me, how do I get rid of the waste at home? Ideally, you would want to throw the trash into the bucket directly, get rid of the same, and wash the bucket for further use. But if you want a rather easier way out of this, Consider using old used paper or newspaper to cover the inside of the bucket. This way, you wouldn't need to wash it on a daily basis. I hope you are also aware that the number of housekeeping and security staff has also been reduced, and that we have to go to designated places to empty the buckets within a specific time frame. We're hoping that this would come back to normal as soon as possible and are waiting for government directives regarding the same. So, you want to press a button, don't do that. Don't use your finger. Instead, consider using your credit card, an old one probably, or your elbow in order to press a button. Thank you very much. Stay home and stay safe.